Want to shop Zara right from your iPhone? Here's how to get the app in seconds. First, open App Store in your device. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on the search bar. Type in Zara and hit search. Now a list of apps will appear. Find the official Zara app. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you can see the Get button. Tap on Get button next to the app. If prompted, use your Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password to confirm the download. In just a few seconds, the app will start installing. Once it's installed, tap Open and you're in. The Zara app gives you instant access to all their latest collection, lets you save your favorites and even track your orders right from your phone. Let me know in the comments what's the first thing you are shopping for in the Zara app, and if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.